Alright, this video is connected to trying to figure out how to read a code on a NT301 Foxwell for about $56, $60 scanner on Amazon. We're on a 2001 Toyota Sienna van here, and if you want to see if on the monitors are ready, you hit this I am. But if you want to see what the codes are, go to that one. Right now it's already checked. You have these arrows, so go to enter, and which is this one on the bottom here, enter. So it's going to read the CAN system and all those systems in there, and it's going to look for the codes. Once you're in there, if you erase the code, then you have to do all the monitors again. But if you just want to view the codes and the freeze frame, you can do that with this machine. So let it do its thing. Okay, that's the check engine light. Malfunction indicator light. Erase previously stored data to save data. Just hit yes on this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go to read codes. I'm gonna hit enter. Store codes. Reading codes. No codes are stored, so this car is good. Press any key to continue. So I'm going to pending codes. That means codes that are in the future that might happen soon. No pending codes, so this car is really clean. So we're gonna hit back, and then this scanner has erase codes. So careful if you do that, then you have to drive the car again to get the monitors ready to get smog. And then live data means if you want to see real-time data, like what your temperature is, if you have air conditioning on, things like that. And then view freeze frame, that means every time there is a code, it takes a little snapshot of all the surrounding parameters of what the computer sees, like what is the temperature, what speed are you traveling, is air conditioning on, lots of things like that. And I am is going to see if the monitors are ready, and lots of other things. All right, that's it. Thanks. Let's get out of here. Exit, and we're done.